Hello everyone, you are welcome to Jewel Study World. Today our lesson will be on simultaneous equations. So let's continue with what we were doing the previous time. So now we have our question. A plus B is equal to 5 as equation 1, and then A times B is equal to 6 as equation 2. So now we have these two equations to solve simultaneously. So we are using the method of substitution to solve this question. So now we can either make A the subject from equation 1 or from equation 2, or you can choose to make B the subject from equation 1 or from equation 2. So let's make A the subject. Make A the subject from equation 1. So from equation 1, if you make A the subject, you get A to be equal to 5 minus B, because we will transpose B to the right hand side of the equation. Let's call this equation 3. So now we will put equation 3 into equation 2 because we made A the subject from equation 1. So you can't put equation 3 into equation 1 again, but you can put it into equation. You can't put equation 3 into equation 1, but you can put it into equation 2 because we made A the subject from equation 1. So equation 2, put equation 3 into equation 2. So it means that from equation 2, where we find A, we write 5 minus B. So equation 2, we have A times B. So A is 5 minus B. So we have 5 minus B times B is equal to 6. So we have 5 minus B times B is equal to 6. So now this can be written as B 5 minus B is equal to 6. So now B times 5 gives us 5B minus B times B gives us B squared is equal to 6. So now let's transpose 5B minus B squared to the right hand side of the equation. So now you get 6 minus 5B plus B squared is equal to 0, because now you have transposed these two terms to the right hand side. So now here it becomes 0. Let's rearrange this to be B squared minus 5B plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have a quadratic equation. So now solving this question, you check the coefficients of B squared. So B squared, the coefficient of B squared is 1. So we have 1B squared, but we don't write 1. Now we have 1 here. So the 1 will multiply the constant, which is 6. So 1 times 6 gives us 6. So 1 times 6 gives us 6. Now we will find the factors of 6 that multiply to give positive 6 and then add up to give negative 5. So 6, the factors of 6, we have 1 and 6, and also we have 2 and 3. Also we have negative 1, negative 6, and negative 2, negative 3. So when we pick negative 2 and negative 3, negative 2 times negative 3 gives us positive 6, and then negative 2 plus negative 3 gives us negative 5. So it means that you will take negative 2 and then negative 3. So we will place negative 2 and negative 3 at where we find negative 5b. Now we get Now we have something like this. So we get 5, we have b squared minus 2b minus 3b, because minus 2b minus 3b gives us minus 5b. So now we have plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 2b minus 3b gives us minus 5b. So you haven't changed anything. You have the same thing here. So now let's factorize. Now you have b squared and b. So now you can factorize b out. You have b here minus 2. And here too you have 3 and 6. So you can factorize 3 out. You have b plus 2 is equal to 0. b minus 2, sorry. b minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you group b and negative 3 in one bracket. So b minus 3 here, and then you take one of the terms in the bracket because they are the same. b minus 2, b minus 2. So we take b minus 2, take just one, is equal to 0. Now take the first term, b minus 3, and equate it to 0, and then take the second term, b minus 2, and then equate it to 0. So let's take this one. We have b minus 3 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 3. Let's take this one too. We have b minus 2 is equal to 0. So b is equal to 2. So it means that the value of b is 3 and then 2. So now let's use these values to find the value of a. We can put the value of b in any of the equations to find the value of a, either equation 1, 2, or 3. So let's choose equation 3. So let's put the value of b into equation 3. So when b is 3, when b is 3, so we are using the first value of b. From equation 3, we get a is equal to 5 minus 3 because b is 3. So from equation 3, we get a is equal to 5 minus 3. Now a is equal to 2. So when b is 3, the value of a is 2. Now when b is 2, let's find the value of a. So when b is equal to 2 from equation 3. So now when b is equal to 2 from equation 3, we have a is equal to 5 minus 2 because b is 2. So a is equal to 5 minus 2. Now you have a is equal to 3. So when b is 2, the value of a is 3. And when b is 3, the value of a is 2. So you can conclude that when b is 3, the value of a is 2. And then when b is 2, the value of a is 3. So this will be our final answer. This is how to solve simultaneous equations which have a quadratic equation. You have to like, share, and